There we go.
Okay, here we go.
This is a famed ex-basketball player. He has done some marvelous things in the world of basketball, and he's brought a basketball with him, the Barack Obama Special Basketball, I believe it is. And behind us, as we pan out of this, you will see that we have a hail cannon. We are in the middle of a nectarine and plum orchard, and we are going to be experimenting with basketballs in a hail cannon. Let's do it. Are we ready for this then?
We're ready.
Okay.
Here.
We're going to turn this cannon on, and the same basketball player is going to try to throw a basketball into that cannon before it explodes. Well, it doesn't really explode, it just goes off.
Is it going off?
No.
What?
Yeah. Now, there's no cheating. You wait till the thing goes once, and then you'll get your timing down, okay? All right? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
We're ready.
Here we go, boys. It's showtime.
God, that was loud.
Come on!
Hold milk.